white Ford Raptor. We're actually gonna be leveling it, and we're gonna be installing new wheels. VenomRex wheels. I don't know what they are. Where are they? Look how tiny this is. This is a 17 by 9. Oh, that's cool. It's a red wheel sock. Ooh, Highland bronze. Really cool spoke design. It's gonna be cool on the white. Haven't done a bronze wheel in a while. So while Tyler works on getting the Raptor leveled, I figured I'd do a quick unboxing on this wheel. VenomRex VR602, 17 by 9. Love bronze finishes just because it's a little bit more unique than black, but it still preserves that tough looking feel. There's a lot of cutouts on the edges here. Even the way they cut the spokes, it's angled up here. It's really cool to see that you don't have to spend that much money, but still get a really good off-road looking wheel. And here's what the center cap looks like. So this is a black one. I believe they have options to where you can get the V, yellow, red, and maybe blue. I'll show you what this looks like on the wheel once we actually install the wheel on the Raptor, so stay tuned. I'm really surprised that we don't see that much white and bronze color combinations considering how good it looks. VenomRex 602 in Highland bronze, and it's a nice lighter shade. Has more of a luxurious vibe to it. Good fitment on the wheels. They stick out a little bit, so they give you a nice little aggressive stance to it, which is what you want, especially on a truck. But it's nothing too crazy to where it looks out of place, especially if your Raptor is mainly stock for the most part. So whether it's stock or it's fixed up, the offset works with either setup.